Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best Dal Makhani. It's a delicious, rich, mild lentil curry simmered with tomatoes and aromatic spices. Let's get it. We're going to start off by soaking 1 part kidney beans and 2 parts whole black urad dal for about 8 hours or overnight. Once the fresh beans get a good soak, I'm just going to pressure cook these babies with some fresh water for 3 whistles. Or if you're just boiling this on a stovetop, for about an hour or until the beans get tender enough to easily smash between your fingers. That looks good. Let's just set this aside for now and make sure you save the bean water. We're going to be using a lot of that. In a hot pan, I'm just going to add in some vegetable oil. Once the oil gets nice and hot, I'm going to drop in our cumin seeds, a bay leaf, garlic paste, some ginger paste, and some diced onions. A little bit of salt to help our onions cook, and just give this a quick stir. Now for our spices, we're just going to give our Dal Makhani a mild yet flavorful taste. I'm going to start with a little turmeric, some garam masala, some red kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, and a little bit of sugar to cut the acidity of the tomatoes, and lastly, some more salt. If you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you can make this delicious Dal Makhani at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can keep seeing more delicious recipes to make at home. I'm going to add in some bean water to help cook this, as well as for us to get that desired consistency. Once the onions cook through and turn translucent, I'm going to add in our tomato puree. Once this starts to simmer, I'm going to add in our beans. Give this a good stir and close the lid to let it simmer on low so all the flavors have a chance to come together and marry. And I'm just going to check on this every couple of minutes to give it a stir and to add more bean water in if it's needed so it doesn't dry out or burn at the bottom. Once it all comes together and has had a chance to simmer together, I'm going to add in some butter. And I'm just going to top this off with a garnish of some kasuri methi, some good heavy cream, and some cilantro. And there you have it, folks, a hearty, absolutely delicious Dal Makhani. Cheers!